Experiencing mic issues with your HyperX Cloud Alpha? Let's diagnose the problem step by step. First, identify your connection type, USB or 3.5 mm cable. For USB connections, issues often come from power or driver problems. Try plugging directly into a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port on your motherboard, not a hub. Update USB drivers via Device Manager to ensure compatibility. For cable connections, inspect the 3.5 mm cable for kinks or damage. Use a multimeter to test continuity. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm for proper function. Software could be the issue too. Isolate whether it's hardware or software related. Start by ensuring your HyperX Ingenuity software is up to date to version 5.3.0 or later. This software helps manage and diagnose mic connectivity problems. Next, update your headset firmware through Ingenuity. This addresses auto-detection bugs, especially on Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma. Check your system audio settings. Ensure the microphone is enabled and set to a sample rate of 48 kHz. If USB issues persist, especially on AMD Ryzen systems, check for Windows updates that address intermittent USB audio glitches. Consider using a powered USB hub. If a faulty cable is suspected, replace it with a HyperX certified cable to ensure proper connectivity. For persistent issues, cross-test your headset on another device like a console or mobile to isolate the problem. If nothing works, contact HyperX support for RMA options to get your headset repaired or replaced.